Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. WhatsApp is the world's most popular messaging app with thousands of texts being transferred each minute. So, it's no surprise that iPhone users may experience occasional crashing issues. Some WhatsApp and WhatsApp business users have reported this problem occurring frequently. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Check internet connectivity. Before we begin with anything too technical, it's wise to clear up the most common obstacle, poor internet connectivity. There is a high probability of internet crashes preventing your WhatsApp from connecting its server. So make sure you have a stable cellular data or Wi-Fi connection. Solution 2. Update WhatsApp. Open the App Store. Tap the profile icon, scroll down to locate WhatsApp among installation application. If there's an update available, then tap the update option. Now try to use WhatsApp again. Solution 3. Update iOS version. For that, launch the Settings app, navigate to the General, tap on Software Update, tap Download and install if there is an iOS update lined up. Solution 4. Verify app configuration settings. Access the Settings app, scroll down and select WhatsApp. Make sure that all of your app configuration settings such as location, network and message delivery preferences are set to the desired option. Finally, restart WhatsApp to apply the changes. Once you are done, you should be able to use WhatsApp on your iPhone without any issues. Solution 5. Uninstall and reinstall the WhatsApp app. To do this, tap and hold WhatsApp until the Remove App option appears. Hit Remove App. Tap Delete App when prompted. Next, install the app from App Store. Solution 6. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the power or side button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 7. Reset network settings. To do this, go to Settings app, find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, select Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Solution 8. Reset all settings. To do this, go to Settings app, find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset, select Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, select Reset all settings. Again, select Reset all settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.